left on this next street and bring them out at Lowe's, then you can miss all the
Had 750 to 800 volunteers per day, despite the weather conditions, who've been coming out just trying to lend a hand to find any way that they can reach out into the community and just provide whatever help they can to make things a little bit better. We've had people come from all over the central part of the United States, the upper Midwest. We have equipment that's come from as far away as Iowa and southern Minnesota. And today, on Saturday, this is the largest volunteer turnout that we've had. We've had at least 2,000 people come through our system already, and we expect many more. Important that individuals call 211 and talk to someone before they come to get additional information, or to go to 211missouri.org website. They can provide updated information about our current status here. And also, I just want to say this is going to be an ongoing effort. We're going to need people for weeks and months as we transition from this emergency response phase into the recovery phase. There are going to be opportunities for everyone of some type.